Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafter, welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Today we're going to have a little look at what's in the Papercraft Society box number 43, and it's a beautiful box. Inside it has the sentiment, crafting is the best medicine for relaxing, and that's from Kathy, and this is Kathy. So inside the box we get a booklet, we get a wallet, and we get some tissue paper with all our goodies. And you can see here all the goodies that we get in our box. So without looking at the rest of the little booklet, I leave that for subscribers to enjoy. Let's have a look and see what comes inside the box. So I'm gonna have a look at the wallet first, and then we'll have a look at what's in the tissue paper after that. So this is Kathy. I don't know how to pronounce her surname, so I'm not even going to try. I'd rather not try than butcher it, so I do apologize, Kathy. So of course our first little sentiment in here is don't forget to share your makes if you're on social media. Put the hashtag Papercraft Society in front of anything that you share. I do apologise about that. That's Ghosty. He loves to shout at anyone driving past our house, which isn't very often, but there you go. So inside the wallet we have three areas, or three pockets, where there is products for us. So the first one is the dies. And I love this. There's lots of sentiments here. There is one large die that cuts out a floral image with leaves, etc. There's also a word die here, and I think it's hello. Yeah. Then we have many, happy birthday. So we have happy birthday. We have the shadow outline. Then we have many thanks, and we have a shadow outline for that. And then we have some more words here. So we have congrats, love you, and I'm not quite sure what the other words are, but I'm sure we'll find out once we have a look inside the booklet. So we get lots of word dies, as well as this large die. And this large die, it measures, let's have a look and see. So it's 5 and it looks like 5 5/8, but if you go from cut line to cut line, it's 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. So a nice size die. Then we have some stamps, and this is the stamp, and I think it is very like our large die. I don't know if it'll cut out exactly that, but interesting. And then we have eat lots of cake and party, have an amazing day, sending hugs for all you do, for your help, celebrate with love and to you. So some nice generic sentiments there to use, whether it's card making, scrapbooking, etc. So here we have some stencils, and I do believe these are layering stencils, which are fab. I haven't used layering stencils yet, so it's great that we'll be able to layer up our flowers and our leaves. We then get some pattern paper, and we get a couple of sheets in here. And don't forget, you can download the pattern papers. If you're a subscriber or you purchase the box, you can download them. So we have this beautiful one, and I do believe these are peonies. They're beautiful. We have some sentiment panels here that we can cut out. And another one. That's beautiful. I love the greens. Another lovely floral. Another lovely greens. That's beautiful. Kind of reminds me of my new bedroom wallpaper. Beautiful. So that's all the pattern papers and the topper sheets. We get 6 sheets of pattern papers and 2 sheets of topper sentiments. So that's always good to have. Lovely. So that's what comes in the wallet. Why don't we have a look now and see what comes inside the tissue paper? So inside the tissue paper we have 3 products. 4 if you count the tissue paper, and I love using the tissue paper. If you're die cutting out any flowers, I recommend layering up some tissue paper and die cutting out your flowers using that. It gives a beautiful effect when you use tissue paper. So we have some lovely ribbon, and this is a lovely width ribbon, beautiful pink. We have some lovely pearls in green and pink. And then we have some coordinating cardstock. So let's have a look at that. So we get lots of sheets of cardstock. Now this is white core cardstock, which is really handy if you like doing you know, you can put this through an embossing folder and then sand back to bring up the white core. So there are loads of techniques that you can use with white core cardstock. It's a nice gauge cardstock too. So we have this light pink, a darker pink, a lovely mint green, and we have this lovely kind of a foggy grey. So we have 8 sheets of cardstock that comes in the kit as well. So there is all the products that we got inside our Papercraft Society box number 43, and it's a beautiful collection of products by the lovely Kathy. So I'm going to leave it there, folks. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing, and I will see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.